Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Wakefield from True Online Wealth. And what I want to talk to y'all today about is a program that's highly converted. It's called a $500 cash machine. This thing, I'm telling you, will pay you $500 payments over and over again like clockwork. It's real easy. All you got to do is just mail it in, get you some leads, peel and stick labels, and you just send these out and wait for $500 payments to show up at your mailbox. Uh, why you want to join me is because when you join me, you're going to get millionaire mailers 1, 2, and 3 along with the $500 cash machine. And my flyer has 3 spaces, so you save $1,500. So this program is really hot. A lot of people like getting big commissions, and this is a program to do it. I mean, if you get two in a week, that's $1,000 a week. So uh, you see how pretty this flyer is. You see all the beautiful colors, and I mean, this thing really converts. It's been around, I think, about I say about 3 or 4 years now, and it's just a converting machine. I mean, it's nothing like going to the mailbox and receiving $500 payments. And then you're gonna get your marketing kit to show you, how to make money with mail order. You're gonna get copies of these flyers with your name in the number 1 position. And all you gotta do is just get the word out, and people will join you in this thing. So, with that being said, y'all have a good day. And the $500 cash machine is a cash cow. Y'all have a good day.